Girl, how you doing? Huh? Well, this is where I keep the feral cats in my spare room, and as you can see, hey, this one here is a little sweetheart, huh? Yeah, you're a little sweetheart. And Mama is still hiding from me, aren't you, girl? I still haven't been able to even pet her or anything. She runs and hides every time I come in here. And since she has been here, this one up here, the long-haired one, has gotten wilder, haven't you? Yeah, you don't like me now either. So I'm just like my mama. But we have some news today because the older sister had babies. She has 4 of them there. Yeah, she had a black and white one. It looks like a black and white, but it's got yellow on it too. And then there's a little tabby and a tortoiseshell. So I now have 8 cats in this room. It's gonna be getting crowded, isn't it, baby? They were born last night. And you're such a good mama. Yes, you are. You're such a good mama. Yeah. I don't think she's left this. She actually had them in a dresser drawer. I'd taken it out to the mother cat over there. Couldn't hide as easy from me, but she still hides. Yeah, and you found this was a perfect place to have babies. Yeah. Trying to hide them from me. So, taking in 3 feral cats in my basement, I've now got 9 cats. Yeah, hopefully we can maybe rehome these kittens. They are adorable though. Gotta get older though, huh? Yeah. They're so cute. Tiny little things, aren't they? For being so young, she's being a good mama.